Hello people, welcome back to my channel. This is Apoorva, I'm your dietitian and it's the holiday season. So I've come up with the tips for healthy holidays. Holidays encourage overeating, sedentary behavior and caloric dense eating, isn't it? Holiday weight gain is not inevitable. So just follow these tips which I'm going to give you in this video to maintain your weight. Be active, snack wisely, keep your portion under control, sleep well, drink adequate water, include fiber-rich foods, limit dessert intake, limit alcohol, use smaller plates and bowls, and avoid processed foods. Follow these tips that help you in maintaining the weight. It keeps you healthy and also happy during holidays time of the year. Wish you all a Merry Christmas, and if you have liked this video, do like, share and subscribe my channel Apoorva Dietitian in YouTube. I'll come with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit, bye bye, enjoy your holidays.